Hi viewers, this is Dr. Mordeana here again. Normal saline, naturally occurring in our body. First thing, most of the time, that they give you when you appear in the emergency room, because water is essential. Sometimes they might give you Ringer's lactate or some other liquid, but most of the time it's normal saline. The water that occurs in your body that washes your organs, washes your cell, and cleanse you, naturally occurring in your body. But we use it when you come in to help to carry antibiotics and different nutrients into your body. It is essential. Why am I telling you this? Because water is your friend. Water is your best friend. You know, there's a high percentage of our body that is liquid. The blood that circulates in our body liquid, the lymphatic system, some fat, some liquid. But water is essential. If you're going to go on the journey of detox, water is going to be your best friend. If you are like me, don't like water. So put some lemon in it. That will kind of help to cleanse. Whether it's weight loss, whether it's detox, it's inflammation, when you're tired, sometimes when you're hungry, all you really need is water, not food, because your body's craving water. And then we drink maybe a canned drink or soda or pop or lemonade or something when it's just natural water that our body's asking us for. Trust me, if you're going to go on a weight loss journey, if you're going to do a detox journey, if you're going to do a journey of cleansing, water is your best friend. Drink it, drink it, drink it. And like I said, you can always flavor it. I like natural flavors, like put pineapple, put cucumbers, put lemon, put lime, blueberries, some mint, natural things, not the other things, which you know what I'm talking about. No sugar, please. Not necessary. Just the natural water several times a day. And here's what you don't do. You don't gulp it, because you need to slowly get it there. When you drink fast, it comes out fast. So just sip, sip, and then the water will stay and bathe the cell inside and help to flush out some of the impurities that you're trying to get rid of in the detox process, in the inflammatory process, trying to get rid of whatever is causing the inflammation. Sometimes you just need to add some water and just flush it out. If you have a fever, it's water. Your sugar is high, it's water. Usually when people come to the emergency room and your sugar is high, we don't just give you insulin. First thing we give is normal saline to dilute the sugar in your blood. And then if it doesn't go down, we might add some insulin to help bring it down. But your friend here, best thing. If you don't want to be disturbed during the nights when you're sleeping, it's best to consume all your water before bedtime, like a good hour or two before bedtime. You should have a bottle of water, a glass of water by your bedside, because sometime in the middle of the night, you get up, you're awakened and you're thirsty and you just want to sip a little water. Or if you're taking medication in the morning before you get really busy, it's good to have the water by your bedside with your tablets. So you take them first thing in the morning before you get busy and forget to take your meds. And most medication can be taken on empty stomach. Because when you're going for surgery, when you're going for a procedure, your blood pressure medication is a must. You got to take it with sips of water. Antibiotic, no, because then you might feel nauseous. But keep the water by your bedside. Sip some before you go to bed, especially after you brush your teeth to kind of just, get that down. And first thing in the morning, lemon, lime, blueberry, pineapple, and all the other additives that will give you a nice, refreshing taste. I know some people like it sparkle, some people like it flat, and all the other things, but I'm telling you, if you really want to gain at all the things that you're trying to do, weight loss, detox, cleanse inflammation, and just boost your immune system, your friend. I'm not promoting this bottle for the company. I just happen to have this water because I purchased it lately. But yeah, water, best friend. Drink up, bottoms up.